Welcome back to the Aero World, your go-to guide for breathtaking destinations, thrilling adventures, and unforgettable experiences. Today, we're diving into the heart of Southern California to explore a city that's as vibrant and diverse as it is beautiful, San Diego. San Diego, known for its perfect weather, stunning beaches, and rich cultural tapestry, is a city that truly has something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a history buff, or in search of the perfect family getaway, stay tuned as we uncover the 7 best things to do in this sunny paradise. From the wild wonders of the San Diego Zoo and the immersive world of the Safari Park to the enchanting beauty of Balboa Park's gardens and museums. Feel the thrill of the waves at some of the most iconic beaches, step back in time in the Gaslamp Quarter and Old Town, or marvel at the military might of the Midway Museum. And for a splash of fun, SeaWorld San Diego awaits. So buckle up as we embark on this journey through San Diego, discovering hidden gems, local favorites, and can't-miss attractions. With the Aero World, you're always in for an adventure. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest travels. Share your own San Diego experiences in the comments below, and let us know where you'd like us to explore next. Next time on the Aero World, we're taking you to a place where the mountains meet the sea, and the adventures are as limitless as the sky. Stay tuned. Number 7. Dive into the wonders of SeaWorld San Diego. SeaWorld San Diego is a marine adventure park where the wonders of the ocean come alive. This sprawling park combines thrilling rides, captivating live shows, and up-close animal encounters, offering a unique blend of entertainment and education. At SeaWorld, you can marvel at the grace of killer whales during the orca encounter, laugh along with the antics of sea lions, and feel the playful splash of dolphins. It's a place where families can connect with marine life, fostering a sense of wonder and a deeper understanding of the importance of ocean conservation. Beyond the shows, SeaWorld offers a variety of rides, from the exhilarating electric eel roller coaster, which mimics the speed of the ocean's fastest predator, to the Journey to Atlantis, a water coaster that combines soaking plunges with captivating storytelling. For those looking for a more immersive experience, the park's animal encounters allow guests to interact directly with dolphins, penguins, and even sharks in a safe and respectful environment. These encounters are not just thrilling, they're educational, offering insights into the lives of these fascinating creatures and the challenges they face in the wild. SeaWorld San Diego is also committed to wildlife conservation, with a portion of every ticket going towards rescue and rehabilitation efforts for marine animals in need. Visiting SeaWorld is not only an opportunity for fun and discovery, but also a way to contribute to the welfare of marine life globally. Whether you're seeking thrills, wanting to learn more about the ocean's inhabitants, or simply enjoy a day out with the family, SeaWorld San Diego offers an unforgettable experience. To plan your visit and learn more about the park's conservation efforts, visit SeaWorld San Diego's official website. Number 6. Adventure awaits at the Midway Museum. The Midway Museum is a tribute to America's military history, housed on one of the most famous aircraft carriers in the United States Navy. As you step onto the deck of the Midway, you're stepping onto a piece of history, a floating city that was at the forefront of several 20th century conflicts. The museum offers a rare glimpse into the life of sailors and aviators who served on board, with more than 60 exhibits and 29 restored aircraft. Visitors can explore the engine room, the sleeping quarters, the galley, and the bridge, offering a comprehensive view of naval operations. What makes the Midway Museum truly special are the docent-led tours, often conducted by veterans who share personal stories and insights, bringing the ship's history to life. For aviation enthusiasts and history buffs alike, the museum is a treasure trove of information and inspiration. The flight simulators provide an exhilarating experience, allowing visitors to feel the thrill of a fighter jet takeoff and landing. The museum is not just about the past, it's a venue for understanding the sacrifices made for freedom and the complexities of naval warfare. It's an educational experience that resonates with all ages, fostering a deeper appreciation for the country's military history. Perched on San Diego's waterfront, the Midway Museum offers stunning views of the bay and skyline, making it a must-visit destination. For ticket information and visitor tips, check out the Midway Museum's official website and prepare for an unforgettable journey through history. Number 5. Step back in time at Old Town San Diego. Old Town San Diego is the birthplace of California, where the first Spanish settlers arrived, and the city began. This historic neighborhood offers a unique opportunity to explore the early days of San Diego through its preserved buildings, museums, and living history demonstrations. Walking through Old Town is like stepping back into the 19th century, with its colorful Mexican markets, historic adobe buildings, and the scent of freshly made tortillas in the air. It's a place where history is not just observed but experienced, through interactive exhibits, traditional craft workshops, and historical reenactments. Dining in Old Town is an adventure in itself, offering some of the best Mexican cuisine north of the border. From street tacos to gourmet dishes, the flavors of Mexico come alive in the many restaurants and cantinas. After a meal, explore the myriad of shops selling unique souvenirs, handmade crafts, and traditional Mexican attire. Old Town San Diego is not just a historical site, it's a lively community that celebrates its rich heritage every day. For a truly immersive experience, visit the Old Town San Diego State Historic Park, which encompasses several museums and restored buildings, offering a glimpse into life in the 1,800 seconds. The Whaley House Museum, one of California's most haunted houses, provides a spooky twist for those intrigued by ghost stories. With its blend of history, culture, and entertainment, Old Town San Diego offers a fascinating journey into the past, enriching the present. Visit Old Town San Diego's official website for more information on attractions, tours, and events, and take a step back in time to the origins of California. Number 4. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of the Gaslamp Quarter. The Gaslamp Quarter is the heart of San Diego's nightlife and entertainment scene, a dazzling district where the past and present converge. As you wander its 16-block expanse, you'll be transported through time, with Victorian-era buildings standing alongside modern establishments. Here, every evening promises an adventure, whether it's savoring gourmet dishes in one of the quarter's renowned restaurants, dancing the night away in a lively club, or simply enjoying a cocktail while people watching. The Gaslamp Quarter is where San Diego's energy is palpable, and every visit feels like a celebration. But the Gaslamp Quarter is more than just a nightlife destination. It's a cultural hub, brimming with art galleries, theaters, and music venues. You can catch a Broadway show at the historic Balboa Theater, explore contemporary art in a gallery walk, or enjoy live music in one of the many bars and restaurants that feature local bands. The district also hosts numerous festivals and events throughout the year, from the raucous Mardi Gras parade to the internationally acclaimed Comic-Con, adding to its vibrant atmosphere. For those interested in history, the Gaslamp Quarter doesn't disappoint. Take a guided tour to learn about the district's transformation from a red light district in the 19th century to the bustling entertainment center it is today. Visit the Gaslamp Museum at the Davis Horton House to delve deeper into its fascinating past. With its blend of historical significance, cultural richness, and entertainment options, the Gaslamp Quarter is a microcosm of San Diego's diverse charm. Plan your visit by checking out Gaslamp Quarter's official website and discover why it's considered the heart of San Diego's nightlife. Number 3. Bask in the splendor of San Diego's beaches and water activities. San Diego's coastline is a playground for sunseekers and adventurers alike, offering some of the most breathtaking beaches in California. From the iconic surfer's paradise of Pacific Beach to the family-friendly shores of Coronado Beach, there's a slice of seaside heaven for everyone. Imagine yourself surfing the waves at dawn, building sandcastles with the kids, or simply soaking up the sun as the ocean whispers to the shore. The beaches of San Diego are where memories are made, friendships are forged, and the soul is rejuvenated. But the fun doesn't stop at the water's edge. San Diego is a haven for water sports enthusiasts, offering everything from kayaking in the calm waters of La Jolla Cove to paddleboarding at sunset. For the more adventurous, there's snorkeling among the vibrant marine life, deep-sea fishing for the catch of the day, or sailing into the horizon. And let's not forget the magical experience of whale watching, where you can witness the majestic journey of these gentle giants. San Diego's beaches and water activities offer endless possibilities for fun, relaxation, and adventure. As you plan your beach day, remember that San Diego's coastlines are as diverse as they are beautiful. Each beach has its own charm and array of activities, ensuring that every visit is a unique experience. Whether you're looking for a quiet escape or an action-packed day, the beaches of San Diego are ready to welcome you with open arms. Dive into the official website of San Diego lifeguards for safety tips, beach amenities, and more, and let the waves guide you to an unforgettable seaside adventure. Number 2. Explore the enchanting realms of Balboa Park. Balboa Park is not just a park, it's a cultural oasis, a verdant haven in the midst of the city that invites exploration and wonder. With over 1,200 acres of gardens, museums, and art venues, it stands as one of the largest cultural complexes in North America. Here, you can stroll beneath the towering palms, marvel at the intricate Spanish colonial revival architecture, and dive into a world of art, science, and history at any of the 17 museums. The Botanical Building, with its lush ferns and orchids, offers a peaceful retreat, while the San Diego Museum of Art captivates with its collections spanning from the Renaissance to contemporary works. The park is a hub of activity, where each path leads to a new discovery. You can watch a Shakespearean play at the Old Globe Theatre, listen to the majestic sounds of the Spreckles Organ Pavilion, or engage with hands-on exhibits at the Fleet Science Center. And let's not forget the gardens, from the serene Japanese Friendship Garden to the colorful displays of the Rose Garden. Each offers a unique blend of beauty and tranquility. Balboa Park is a celebration of San Diego's artistic and natural beauty, a place where every visit enriches the soul. With something to offer for every interest and age group, Balboa Park is a testament to San Diego's commitment to the arts, education, and the environment. It's a place where community gathers, cultures intersect, and the spirit of discovery is alive. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a lifelong resident, the park provides endless opportunities for enjoyment and learning. Check out their official website for event schedules, museum hours, and more, and immerse yourself in the cultural heart of San Diego. Number 1. Unveil the wonders of the San Diego Zoo and Safari Park. The San Diego Zoo and Safari Park stand as pillars of wildlife conservation, offering a window into the diverse habitats and species that grace our planet. The zoo, nestled in the heart of Balboa Park, is a sanctuary where over 35 animals from more than 650 species thrive. Here, you can wander through lush gardens, witness the majestic beauty of the giant pandas, or gaze into the eyes of a towering giraffe. The journey continues at the Safari Park, a vast expanse where the wild roams free. Imagine the thrill of watching a cheetah sprint across the savanna or a herd of elephants frolicking in the mud. These experiences not only entertain but educate, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world. The zoo and safari park are more than just attractions, they're gateways to adventure and discovery. Whether you choose to soar above the treetops on the Skyfari aerial tram or embark on a guided safari tour, every visit is a chance to connect with nature on a profound level. And for those seeking an even closer encounter, the parks offer behind-the-scenes experiences that bring you face-to-face with the animals, offering insights into their care and conservation. It's an unforgettable journey that begins with a step into these iconic San Diego destinations. Planning your visit is easy, with both parks open daily and a range of ticket options to suit every adventurer's needs. Whether you're a family looking to create lasting memories, a couple seeking a unique date, or a solo traveler exploring the wonders of the world, the San Diego Zoo and Safari Park await with open arms. For more details on tickets and experiences, visit their official websites and prepare to be enchanted by the wild heart of San Diego. And that's a wrap on our incredible journey through San Diego, a city where endless sunshine meets endless adventure. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the best things to do in San Diego as much as we loved showing them to you. But our journey doesn't end here. The Aero World is all about discovering new horizons, sharing experiences, and inspiring your next adventure. If you loved our San Diego adventure, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments below what your favorite part was or if there's a hidden gem in San Diego we should check out next time. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms to get behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks of upcoming episodes, and join our amazing community of travelers just like you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to become part of the Aero World family. We've got plenty more adventures coming your way, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. Thank you for watching, and a huge thank you to everyone who's been part of this journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep living the adventure. From all of us here at the Aero World, safe travels and see you in the skies.